Cecilia, excited to learn. Ako naman excited to share. Christina, mabuting tao. Okay, so thank you very much for all your hashtag. Oh, I saw that a nice hashtag was teach as one. Ang ganda. Okay, so just put it in the chat, and it's nice to check in with our feelings today. Okay, so given that, let me now proceed. Oops. Okay, so my outline is there are two parts. First, I'd like to talk about the UNESCO framework for values education, because we live in a globalized world. We cannot just talk about our own framework. And the second one will be the Philippine framework for ESP. Now, some of you are already veteran ESP teachers, so perhaps my session will be just a relearning, okay? For those who are new and have not undergone the certification yet, this will be new learning. And maybe along the way, there may be some unlearnings, okay? In other words, what you learned before was quite old already, and so now we will unlearn certain things, okay? So let's be open to new learnings. Let us also unlearn if we need to, and let us refresh our learnings and relearn. Okay ba? Okay, so the UNESCO framework for values education is actually lifelong learning, or learning to know, learning to do, learning to live together, and learning to be. And our sources, our references come from Jacques Delors' Learning the Treasure Within in 1996, but we have updated that, and 4 UPNIB source books. Okay, so let's look first at the context of the 21st century. I'm sure you know about that already. So first, we have to be very clear that we are now in the 4th industrial revolution, which means that artificial intelligence, big data, okay, a lot of social media going on, and you've seen that this 4th industrial revolution means the Internet of Things. In other words, we're really connected through the internet. And that is how knowledge is being propagated through the internet. And therefore, because we propagate it through the internet, aside from the teachers, we really have to teach our learners how to discriminate what is fake news, what is a hoax, and what is correct knowledge, what is true knowledge, what is right. Okay, so here we are. This is now the people who are around in terms of teaching and learning. So some of us are baby boomers. I'm one of them, and I'm still teaching. Many of you are Generation X and Y who are now teachers, and you are teaching. Are digital masters and critical consumers, because they were born in 2010. So the same as when the iPad was created.